Now, I know what you might be thinking. Do smoothies really help with weight loss? The answer is yes, but only when they're made with the right ingredients. The key is to balance protein, fiber, and healthy fats while keeping sugars low. These 13 smoothie recipes are proven to support weight loss, boost metabolism, and keep you feeling full longer, and trust me, they're not just healthy but also incredibly satisfying. Ready? Let's blend. For each smoothie, I'll quickly run through the ingredients and why they work for weight loss. Grab your blender and let's get started. 1. Green Detox Power Smoothie. Ingredients: spinach, green apple, banana, chia seeds, almond milk. Why it works: packed with fiber, detoxifies the body, and keeps you full longer. 2. Berry Protein Boost Smoothie. Ingredients: blueberries, strawberries, Greek yogurt, flax seeds, unsweetened almond milk. Why it works: high in antioxidants, protein, and omega-3s, helping with fat loss. 3. Avocado Almond Energy Smoothie. Ingredients: avocado, banana, almond butter, oat milk, cinnamon. Why it works: healthy fats curb cravings and provide lasting energy. 4. Banana Peanut Butter Power Shake. Ingredients: banana, natural peanut butter, protein powder, oat milk. Why it works: a perfect pre- or post-workout smoothie for muscle recovery. 5. Chocolate Slim Down Smoothie. Ingredients: unsweetened cocoa powder, banana, almond milk, dates. Why it works: curbs sweet cravings while keeping calories in check. Ingredients: carrots, ginger, orange juice, Greek yogurt. Why it works: boosts digestion and metabolism naturally. 7. Tropical Fat Burner Smoothie. Ingredients: pineapple, mango, coconut water, turmeric. Why it works: rich in anti-inflammatory properties and promotes fat loss. 8. Cucumber Lemon Refresh Smoothie. Ingredients: cucumber, lemon juice, mint, coconut water. Why it works: detoxifying, hydrating, and keeps you feeling light. 9. Apple Cinnamon Weight Loss Smoothie. Ingredients: green apple, cinnamon, oats, almond milk. Why it works: high in fiber, controls blood sugar, and curbs hunger. 10. Matcha Green Tea Fat Burner. Ingredients: matcha powder, banana, oat milk, vanilla extract. Why it works: green tea boosts metabolism and burns fat naturally. 11. Kale Recharge Smoothie. Why it works: if you want a low-calorie, refreshing drink, this smoothie is a must-try. With only 58 calories per serving, it's a light, nutritious choice. Just keep in mind that it's not a meal replacement. Pair it with a protein-rich meal like an omelet for best results. Ingredients: 1 frozen, very ripe banana, 3/4 cup spinach, loosely packed, 3/4 cup cauli kale, stems removed, loosely packed, half a cup carrots chopped, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 tablespoon fresh parsley or cilantro, 1 teaspoon lime juice, 8 ounces water, 4 ice cubes. 12. Tropical Berry Smoothie. Why it works: strawberries are packed with fiber, which helps with digestion and weight management. Plus, coconut milk contains MCT fats that may boost metabolism and target belly fat. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh strawberries, 1 cup mixed berries, fresh or frozen, 1/2 frozen banana, 1 teaspoon ground flaxseed, 8-ounce light coconut milk, 1/4 cup desiccated coconut flakes. 13. Keto Avocado and Coconut Smoothie. Why it works: this creamy, low-carb smoothie is loaded with healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties. Avocados provide fiber and good fats to keep you full and help regulate blood sugar levels. Ingredients: 1/2 avocado, 3/4 cup coconut milk, 1/4 cup almond milk, 1 teaspoon fresh grated ginger, 2 tablespoons ground nut powder, handful of frozen berries, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon lemon or lime juice, 1 cup crushed ice. And there you have it, 13 delicious, nutrient-packed smoothies that can help you reach your weight loss goals. The best part? They take just a few minutes to make. So, which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Ready to get healthy and lose weight? If you're eager to take charge of your health and shed some pounds, smoothies offer a simple and delicious way to do so. Not only are they easy to prepare, but they're also cost-effective and packed with essential nutrients. Whether you want to drop a few pounds or undergo a complete transformation, incorporating these smoothies into your daily routine can make a noticeable difference. Smoothies are an easy, affordable way to support your weight loss goals while nourishing your body with essential nutrients. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more healthy recipes and weight loss tips with natural vitamin supplements. Until next time, stay healthy and keep blending.